Hi guys, watch me put my lashes on. I'm gonna show you guys how I put my cluster lashes on, because we need to look a bit decent before we travel. So let's do it quickly. Don't have much time, okay? So we're gonna be in a hurry. So I'm going to be using my cluster lashes that I got from Shein, TikTok or Temu, one of them places. And I've got these Namiki lash. This one is the bond. I've got the glue, and I've also got the seal. Okay, and I've got my lash applicator. Okay, let's start. Okay, so what I do is I use this applicator to grab the lash, and then I'll apply some glue on there generously, and I will allow that to dry. Whilst that's drying, I'm gonna go in with my bond, and it's like a mascara, so you want to kind of brush your lashes so that it can be able to hold on nicely. Can you see that I'm brushing my lashes and it's starting to look good? Then give it for like a couple of seconds, then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So I'm gonna go in the mirror and then just like so. At the very end, you want to kind of go all the way to the end, just so this can fit nicely. Okay, do you see that? Very, very easy. You see that? That's one done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Before I apply it, I usually go in with my small scissors and cut off the sides. There's always a bit of a leftover side on the corners. You want to chop off that, otherwise the lashes will be itchy. Like if they come near your skin, they'll kind of like itch the whole time you're wearing it. So you don't want that. You'll feel itchy and uncomfortable. So you just cut that off and you're good to go. So I'm applying the glue. Since I've applied the bond on my eyes, I don't need to do it again. So I'm just going to let this dry. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Just like that. You want to use this and clip it down like so. So it's nice and in place. See that? So can you see how easy that was? Literally one eye is done within a couple of seconds. And then I've got this side to do. So nice, right? Okay, let's go ahead and do this one so we can finish. So now I'm gonna use this applicator thing and I'm gonna grab the lashes together and pinch so that they can all stick together and stay down. This helps the lashes to last longer as well. You want to be careful so you don't pinch your skin because it can hurt. The last step is to use the seal, okay, to literally go around on the lashes, and it's just like this. Take a good amount and start going under there. This is gonna seal the lashes from falling out. Just gonna dry up in literally like few seconds and we're good to go. So let me let it dry up. I need to air it so it can dry up. So you can see the lash looks so natural, like so. Yeah, so I'm pretty much done. You see how nice this looks, like literally flawless and so beautiful. If you feel like your eyes is drying up a little bit, I usually just use this to kind of like moisturize my eyes, so that way it's not drying up and uncomfortable. So I'll just give it a good shake, get it open, and just squirt. Okay, and that's literally it. But yeah guys, that's literally my lashes done. I don't need to be spending too much money all the time. So guys, if you're like me who like to wear lashes all the time, I recommend you going to buy these cluster lashes from TikTok or Shein or Temu. They all have it there, and make sure you get a good glue. That's pretty much everything, and then it will save you a lot of money, you know, look good for less, you know what I mean? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much this video. It was a quick, simple one for you guys to see. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.